Sometimes when you want to play Terraria on Xbox 360, it cannot be started, and it happens something like this when you select A for running the game. So the screen goes black, and after a few seconds it will return you back to the dashboard. In these cases you have to do one thing to make it running. At first you have to go to the main menu of your console, pressing this button, and now from this menu just choose Settings, System Settings, and then the Storage. Now you will see the listing of all of your hard drives. I have only one here, but you can have, for example, 2 hard drives. So go to each of them and you will see here the device option. So press the Y button for device options, and here choose the clear system cache. Don't worry, it will not delete any of your games or save games. You will lose no data, so it will only clear the database of the files. If you have more hard drives or disks like this, you can perform this device options and this process on each of them. So if you are not sure which hard drive is the correct one, you can use it for any of them where this option is available. You cannot delete anything, so don't worry to do it. So now when I go back and start the Terraria again, the miracle will happen and the Terraria starts up. This is, by the way, a very common failure on a lot of games on Xbox 360. So if you have any similar issues with your games, try to do this clearing of the cache of your hard drive.